Wrinkles making you look older? Forget expensive creams, nature already has the cure. Here are 4 powerful foods that can erase wrinkles and keep your skin glowing. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that smooth fine lines and keep your skin elastic. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a natural sunscreen that prevents premature aging. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants that repair damaged skin cells and brighten your face. And walnuts are loaded with omega-3s that tighten skin and reduce sagging. Eat these daily and you can look 5 to 10 years younger naturally. Glow from the inside out, and follow for more powerful anti-aging secrets your doctor won't tell you.